Hello, Heartthrobs. Happy New Year. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Rakeda. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to style this hair. If this new year you don't know what hairstyle to do, this is an inspo. This is a crochet hair, but the hair is a synthetic hair. It's not human hair. Because one thing we're going to do, we're going to look good on a budget. If you can afford human hair, you can definitely go ahead and do it. I did get a synthetic hair because I'm not going to have this on for longer. And that's why I did not want to invest in a human hair. But if you see yourself wearing this for a month and more, then you have to invest in human hair. So let me show you how I style this hair and hopefully you can do the same.